May I call upon stage our presiding guest, Mrs. Rashmi Gehlot, the Deputy Director of Education, along with our Principal Ma'am, to start with prize distribution ceremony. Give a huge round of applause. This prize distribution ceremony is to boost the morale of the students, especially the meritorious students, so that they may excel. So let us start prize distribution ceremony with academic awards. First of all, we are going to start with Young Kalam Awards. And this Young Kalam Award is given to all those meritorious students who score A+ throughout the year. So the Young Kalam awardees are Shreya from class LKG. Give a wide round of applause, Shreya. Isha Mittal from class LKG. Isha Mittal from class LKG. Tia Wadhwa from class LKG. Give a wide round of applause to these young achievers. Sohini from class UKG. Give a wide round of applause. Mayank Mishra from class UKG. Wide round of applause. Lakshita from class UKG. It is a matter of thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Kiran Bedi is among us. It is a matter of profound gratification and retired great IPS officer and winner of many prestigious awards like Bharatiya Manavta Vikas Puraskar, MSN Most Admired Indian Female Icon, Kalpana Chawla Excellence Award, Global Trail Blazer Award, Mahila Shiromani Award, Lion of the Year Award, Pride of India Award, and the most influential Magsaysay Award, as well as a great contributor towards the noble and social causes. The great icon Dr. Kiran Bedi is among us, and we wholeheartedly welcome her with great happiness. Give a wide round of applause to our chief guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi. She is among us. May I call upon stage our honorable chief guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi, along with our director, sir, and principal, ma'am. May I call upon stage our honorable chief guest, winner of many prestigious awards, Kiran Bedi. Give a wide round of applause. A warm welcome of our chief guest, Dr. Kiran Bedi. Floral welcome by our director, sir. A token of appreciation by our principal, ma'am. A wide round of applause for Dr. Kiran Bedi. She is among us. Loud cheering. We are now going to start. Wide round of applause for our Dr. Kiran Bedi, the chief guest. Principal, ma'am, to please stay on the stage only for the prize distribution ceremony. We are going to start with an Best in Academics Award. Golden Bird Award is associated with excellence in other activities besides academics. Maybe it is dance, drama, music. And this award is given to those students who shine throughout the year in all fields. So the achievers of the year 2012-13 are Arnav Rao from class LKG. Arnav Rao from class LKG, give a wide round of applause. Bhavya Goyal from class LKG. Ananya from class UKG. Manya Sharma from class UKG. Give them a wide round of applause. Naveen from class UKG. Golden Bird awardees. The students who have scored first rank are being honored today with Best in Academics Award. The meritorious students of our school are Kunal from class 1. Give a wide round of applause. Kunal from class 1, Manvi Bal from class 2nd, Ankush Dua from class 3rd, Ansh Gupta from class 4th, Harsh Kumar Singh from class 5th, Kunal from class 1, Manvi Bal from class 2nd, Ankush Dua from class 3rd, Ansh Gupta from class 4th, Harsh Kumar Singh from class 5th. Give them a wide round of applause. They have excelled in academics. So we should boost their morale by loud cheering. We expect from our guests and parents. Same line of award goes to Tejas Mudgal from class 6A, Avinash Shah from class 6B, Mansi Bull from class 7th, Lakshmi Soni from class 7B, Ritu Gautam from class 8A, Aditya Thakur from class 8B, Kajal Setia from class 9th, Ejaz Hussain from class 9th B, Vishal Dahiya from class 11th, Simran Goyal from class 11B, and Vineet from class 11C. Being at the top is quite challenging, especially in CBSE boards. Being at the top and scoring 95% and above is the tradition of a school. The testimony to this fact is that in CBSE boards, the class 12 students excelled at the top and also were 95% scorers. The students who were toppers are Anurvi Mehra in commerce stream, securing 92%, Akansha Gupta in science stream scoring 93%, Nidhi Soni from humanities stream scoring 87%. Give them a wide round of applause. 95%. Those who got in English are Akansha Gupta, remain here, 95% in English. Hiteshi Bhatia, 95% in English. Anjali Chola, 95% in English. Jyoti Gyamalani, 95% in English. Himanshi Daima, 95% in English. Give them a wide round of applause, scoring 95% in English. All these students. Round of applause, they have scored 95% in English. Akansha Gupta will stay here again for mathematics, scoring 99%. Manish Chandra, come up on stage. Akansha Gupta stay here for 99% in maths. Manish Chandra for scoring 95% in maths. Akansha Gupta again for 97% in chemistry. Neda Shakil for scoring 96% in engineering graphics. Neda Shakil. Anurvi Mehra, 95% in economics. Anjali Chola for 95% in business studies. Anurvi Mehra for 95% in business studies. Give them a wide round of applause. Ishu Garg, 95% in business studies. A wide round of applause for these young achievers. Ankit Kumar scoring 97% in physical education. Sham Sundar scoring 97% in physical education. Nidhi Soni 95% in political science. Himanshi Daima 95% in political science. Ankit Kumar 95% in Hindi and also a merit certificate by CBSE boards. Give them a wide round of applause. All these students have excelled in CBSE boards in class 12. A loud cheering for these students. Scoring 10 CGPA and receiving merit certificate from CBSE is a daunting task. In class 10, our school students who reach that top level and are the shining stars are Amanpreet Singh from class 10, Chetna Gaba from class 10, Isha Lamba from class 10, Manish Kumar Mittal from class 10, Sanskriti from class 10, Subhash Mehta from class 10, Vanshika from class 10, Aditya from class 10, Anjali Gupta from class 10, Pooja Singh from class 10, Saiba Rana from class 10, Simran, Shweba and Varsha from class 10. Give them a wide round of applause, loud cheering. Not only in academics, in sports also our school students shine and bring laurels to the school. They receive prestigious positions in school as well as outside the school. The students who are best in sports are, from the primary level, the students who are best in sports are Aina from class 1, Krish Vardhan from class 2nd, Sarthak Jaiswal from class 3rd, Mayank Dyama from class 4th, Jigyasa from class 5th, Ishika Rajwar from class 6A, A. Aditya from class 6B. We are going to start with co-curricular. Simran Bratra from class 6A, Priyanka Malhotra from class 6B, Alina Singh from class 7th A, Sakshi Verma from class 8th A, Akash Kapoor from class 8th B, Nakul from class 9th A, Ejaz Hussain from class 9th B, Vanshika Kapoor from class 10th A, and Saiba from class 10th B. At zonal level, it was a matter of great achievement when out of 50 schools and 100 students in English recitation, Raghav Bora of class 12 secured 3rd position. Give him a wide round of applause. In English declamation, out of 200 students, Chandan from class 11 secured 3rd position. At zonal level, in Hindi poem recitation, out of 100 students, Aditya Yadav not only scored 2nd position at central level, but also at the zonal level. Give him a wide round of applause, Aditya Yadav. In zonal, in Hindi debate competition, in senior boys category, Nakul Goel, Ejaz Hussain left behind 200 students. Give them a wide round of applause and secured 1st position. Again in Hindi declamation, it was a matter of great glory that Aditya Yadav, after leaving about 100 students, scored 2nd position at zonal level in junior boys category. Aditya Yadav. Ram Tirath Mission, where almost all the Delhi schools participate. It was a matter of great pride that out of 32 schools and 128 students, Kajal Singh of class 12 not only secured 1st position this year, but also was a recipient of the 1st position in 2011 and 12. Give a wider round of applause to Kajal Singh, who has been securing 1st position for the last 3 years. Give a wide round of applause to her. In Sanskrit Shlokacharan, Nakul Goyal also scored 2nd position in Ram Tirath declamation competition. Again, Lakshmi Soni from junior girls category scored 3rd position. Give a wide round of applause to these students who excelled in Ram Tirath mission and made the school proud. Delhi Sanskrit Academy organizes various competitions, and it was a matter of great pride that out of many schools of Delhi, in Sanskrit Shlokacharan, they just Milind, Keshav, Karan from class 7 and Aditya and Shubham from class 8 were awarded with a cash prize of rupees 1800. Wide round of applause. In Sanskrit debate also, in senior girls category, Varsha and Shueba from class 11th were awarded with a cash prize of rupees 1000. Wide round of applause. They have left behind many schools of Delhi and have been the winner of cash prize. In Sanskrit Bhashan also, it was a moment of glory when out of 35 schools, our school student Pooja from class 11 was awarded with a cash prize of rupees 300. Again in Sanskrit Qawwali, leaving behind 40 schools in junior girls category, Darshana and Simran Batra from class 6, Purvi, Preeti and Khushi from class 8 were awarded with a cash prize of rupees 600. Leaving behind almost 40 schools, our school students have excelled in Sanskrit Qawwali also. Give them a wide round of applause. So in all the languages, our students have excelled. At zonal level, in science exhibition, where few selected models are exhibited, it was a moment of great pride when Ravi and Dushyant from class 10 in senior boys secured first position. Wide round of applause. At zonal level, science exhibition, Ravi and Dushyant of class 10th, not only at zonal but at central level also. Our student Ravi from class 10th secured first position. Give them a wide round of applause. Prize distribution ceremony means lots of cheering, lots of motivation for these young students. Give them a wide round of applause. At zonal level in science exhibition, Ravi and Dushyant of class 10 secured first position. At central level also, Ravi from class 10th and Seema from class 8 secured first position. Give them a wide round of applause, Ravi and Seema. Ravi and Seema have secured first position at central level science exhibition. Dev Agnani, Mayank Dhyama, again at district level also, leaving behind 200 schools and 500 students. Dev Agnani and Mayank Dhyama excelled at district level also. Give them a wide round of applause. Model competition in middle category, Deepthi and Mansi Bal of class 8. Deepthi and Mansi Bal of class 8 secured first position. At the district level also, both these students, Deepthi and Mansi Bal, secured first position. Give them a wide round of applause. Wide round of applause, loud cheering for these prize winning. Mansi Bal of class 8 secured first position, in which 1500 students participated. Swarnika Kohli from class 5th in primary category got a cash prize of rupees 3000 out of 1500 students. Give a wide round of applause. She secured second position and 3000 rupees from Times of India. Now best in sports category. At zonal level in handball competition, in sub-junior girls category, Ishika, Simran, Darshana, Ishika, Simran, Darshana, Mayuri, K. Priya, Shruti, Karishma, Priyanka, Shikha from class 7, and Suman, Namra, Gargi and Swarnika secured second position. Give them a wide round of applause. At zonal level handball competition, leaving behind 100 schools, they have emerged as a second runner, as a second position holder. In junior girls category, Kiran, Radhika, Sonali, Ashna, Pooja, Nikita, Bhavya, Ritika, Sania Ritu, Ria from class 9 secured first position. Give them a wide round of applause. Diksha, Varsha, Shueva, Manisha from class 11. Drishti, Babita, Sonal, Ramsha, Tanvi, Tanya and Saroj from class 12th. Give them a wide round of applause. We expect a loud cheering from our parents, from our guests to boost the morale of these sports students. In junior boys category, Mohsin, Arshad, Sagar, Arbaz, Chetan, Nitish, Mahesh, Shoaib, Sarthak, Jatin, Rizwan, Mohit from class 10 secured second position. Give them a wide round of applause in handball. These junior boys secured second position. These all are students of class 10. At zonal level in lawn tennis competition in senior girls category, Chanchal, Mehak from class 10, Khushbu and Saiba from class 11 secured second position, leaving behind 100 students of the North Zone district. Give them a wide round of applause. Wide round of applause for these young sports students. In sub-junior girls category, we have Shruti, Sania from class 7, Nishtha and Naina from class 8, and they have secured third position. Wide round of applause. Tennis and made the school proud. We are proud of these young achievers. In broad jump, at zonal level in athletics, primary category, Manvi Bal from class 3rd, secured third position. In zonal judo competition, under 10 years category, Vansh from class 3rd, Aditya from class 2nd, Pulkit Vadhwa from class 10 secured third position. Manish from class 7 secured first position. Lakshay from class 9 secured third position. Dipanshu from class 9 secured third position. Pulkit Vadhwa from class 10 secured third position. Give a wide round of applause. They have won the judo competition. Under 14 in girls category, Kiran from class 9 secured first position. Sakshi from class 8 secured second position. In girls category, Kiran and Sakshi. At zonal level in lawn tennis competition in senior boys category, Mayur Arya and Sagar from class 10th. And in junior boys category, Yugal Bansal, Kunal Maggu from class 9, Mohit Bhardwaj from class 10 secured second position. In primary category, Harivansh, Krish Vardhan from class 3rd secured second position. Give a wide round of applause. Mayur Arya Sagar from class 10, Yugal Bansal, Kunal Maggu from class 9, Mohit Bhardwaj from class 10, Harivansh and Krish Vardhan from class 3rd. Harivansh and Krish Vardhan from class 3rd in primary category secured second position in zonal lawn tennis. At zonal level in basketball, sub-junior boys, Sohaib, Simranjeet, Yash from class 7, Sohaib, Simranjeet. Yash from class 7. In zonal athletic long jump in junior girls category, Deepika Yadav from class 9. Deepika Yadav from class 9 secured second position. Wide round of applause. Junior boys, Mohsin from class 10 secured second position. Mohsin from class 10 secured second position. In zonal athletic 100-meter race, in sub-junior boys, Rishabh from class 8 secured second position. In Delhi State Yoga Championship, where 1500 students participated under 11 to 14 category, and Ishika from class 7 secured third position. Wide round of applause for this yoga champion. Out of 1500 students, she secured third position. Junior girls category, Sakshi Verma of class 9 secured second position. Wide round of applause for Sakshi Verma. In Open National Tennis Championship under 14 boys singles, Yugal Bansal from class 9 secured second position. Yugal Bansal. Yugal Bansal from class 9 has secured second position. Wide round of applause. In 8th National Floorball Championship in senior girls category, Babita and Saroj from class 12 represented Delhi State at national level. Represented Delhi State at national level. At Delhi State level in science exhibition, where almost 500 projects were displayed in senior category, Varun and Pooja from class 11. Varun and Pooja from class Best in sports class wise goes to Aina from class 1. Krish. The same line of awards goes to Ishika Rajwar from class 6A, A. Aditya from class 6B, Mansi Dubey from class 7A, Sakshi from class 7B, Yugal from class 8A, Deepak Singh from class 8B, Mohsin from class 9th B, Isha Lamba from class 10th A, and Varsha from class 10th B. Wide round of applause for these young sports students. Best sports student of the school goes to Sachit Sharma. Best sports student of the school goes to Sachit Sharma of class 7. It is a matter of great honor that out of 1,000 schools, our school sports star Satish Sharma of class 7 reached the India top 3 ranking level in lawn tennis. He has also received a gold medal. Once again, I am repeating about Sachit Sharma. Sachit Sharma has reached the India top 3 ranking in lawn tennis. He has also received gold medal at Delhi state level under the age group of 12 after beating Andhra Pradesh, and has been declared Indian State Championship Sports Student of the School. This award goes to Sachit Sharma for his excellence in lawn tennis, scoring top 3 ranking in India. Top 3 ranking in India, and he has won a gold medal at Delhi state level under age group of 12 after beating Andhra Pradesh. Give a wide round of applause to this gold medalist. He has been declared as India State Champion, Sachit Sharma of class 7, under the age group of only 12 years. Goes to Nipun from class 1. Raghav Verma from class 1. They did not take a leave a single day. Manya Gupta from class 2nd. Bhavik Valecha from class 5th. Chirag Mishra from class 5th. Alina Singh from class 8A, Nishtha from class 8A, Chanchal Yadav from class 9th-A, Nancy Arora from class 9th-A. The students who excel in all fields, be it curricular, co-curricular, sports, they are awarded with late Shri Lomesh Rishi Pathak for award for best student. Late Shri Lomesh Rishi Pathak award is given to the best student who excels in all fields and is an all-rounder, be it in curricular, co-curricular or sports. So it is a matter of great glory that Ejaz Hussain from class 10th has brought shining results in all the fields, and he has been awarded with late Shri Lomesh Rishi Pathak award and a cash prize of ₹5,000 for his excellence. He has got a best student award for his excellence in all the fields. Wide round of applause for Mr. Krishan Kumar Sharma, father of Ishan Sharma from class UKG. They have awarded ₹5,000 award for the contribution of the students in excellence in academics and co-curricular. And the award goes to Srishti Maurya from class 4th. Srishti Maurya from class 4th and Simran Batra from class 7th. Wide round of applause. This award is sponsored by grandfather of Ishan Sharma, but it is being given by now Mr. Krishan Kumar Sharma for their excellence in education. We have also got Best Teacher Award, and it is a matter of great glory that Best Teacher Award goes to Mrs. Alka Kapoor. Wide round of applause. Mrs. Rekha Lamba, Mrs. Neeru Vij. Wide round of applause for Mrs. Alka Kapoor, Mrs. Neeru Vij, Mrs. Rekha Lamba. They have contributed towards the betterment of the school, and the school applauds them on the stage.
There is one good news. I recently got it. Our team from MM Public School under 14 won national levels in Rajasthan. Out of 12 players, 77 are from our school. Though the players are there in Rajasthan, because I got this news right now. So I want a big applause for them.